Hello everyone, my name is How to Nefarious, a channel where I teach you about practically everything and anything you need to know. But in this video we will start with how to create a Kik account, alright? So open your browser, which is Opera, Windows, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, I think that still exists, and we're going to type in kik.com to the search bar or the URL. Go to this, it's gonna load this screen where it has all this stuff on the left, the Kik beta, browse button, all the rules and stuff like that. There's a search bar, but we're gonna go on the top right corner where it says sign up, okay? Sign up. We're gonna type in a email, in my case this one, here, okay? Next you're gonna do your birth date, like most places, websites. Put in a username you're gonna like, mine is this one. You wanna look up on Kik. Be streaming more again very soon. Put in a password, preferably minimum 8 characters and special characters like commas, periods, question marks. Then you just do sign up. It'll bring you to the page and that's it. So that's all for this video. But the next video I'll be doing will be teaching you how to stream on Kik. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.